Hello everyone, I welcome all the aspirants, those who are preparing for BRC, OCS and DGFS exam 2022. So I hope that your gate paper went well, but if not, then no need to worry because one more chance you have to get the central government job as a Group A gadget officer, okay, in BRC department. So now in this video, I will discuss how you can prepare and how you can crack the exam, okay. What are the myths are there related to BRC and everything which is important for you to understand if you are serious aspirant, you are preparing for BRC exam 2022. So carefully watch this video and watch this video till the end compulsory, okay. Then only you will get all the things. So first we will discuss about your exam pattern of BRC. So there will be 100 questions, okay, and you will get 2 hours to attempt 100 questions, okay. Questions will be purely technical. There is no non-tech portion, there is no aptitude, there is no reasoning, there is no general awareness, okay. Positive marking is there of 3 marks and negative marking is there of 1 mark. So total paper will be your of 300 marks, okay. So this is the basic pattern of your BRC exam. And about level, so level is different with respect to each of the branch, okay. So when I will discuss the syllabus and important points for each of the branch, then I will mention the level, okay, at that time, at that point of time. Okay, so this is basic about information about your exam pattern. Now, the most important thing before starting preparation of BRC exam is mindset. Okay, because I am sure that lots of things you heard and then you are watching this video. Okay, or if you are didn't watch any single video or anything about BRC, then you are good. Okay, no, after this video, just don't in the conversation about BRC. Okay, because lots of myths are there. So first myth I will cover for exam point of view and then I will cover up for interview. Okay. Now about exam, there are lots of myths that this exam is tough. Okay, it is not easy to crack. Blah 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 blah. Lots of things are there. Let me tell you one thing that it is not like that. Okay, it's very easy to crack this exam. Just you should know what to not do in your exam hall. Okay, that's it. The mistake every aspirant do is what they try to attempt all the 100 questions, okay, and this exam is not for that. You should not try to go for all the 100 questions. Instead of, you should try for whatever questions you can attempt, okay, for of which you know the concept, or you can attempt with 100% accuracy only those questions. Okay, now how to identify those questions and everything I will discuss in the next video, but for now it is not like you will attempt 100 questions, but it is not we will attempt your relevant questions. The next myth is about interview, that they ask very tough questions. Interview is very tough to crack and everything, okay. Again, I am busting this myth by saying interview is not tough of BRC. Just they want your basics. And what is the meaning of basics? They want your approach, okay. Suppose some problem they given you, then how you approach to the problem. It is not like you are getting the answer or you are just means convincing them to get the answer, or you are convincing them to accept your answer. Okay, it is not like that. They just want your approach, and if you have good approach, then definitely you can make it. Okay, the second challenge in the interview is the selection ratio. So I hope you watch my video, the previous video of expected vacancy and selection ratio. So just go and watch that video, okay. So you will get proper idea that what is the selection ratio, okay, what are the number of vacancies you can expect in the year 2022. So all the details you will get there, okay. So because of this only, it sometimes get difficult to crack BRC exam, because the hard fact, or I can say the truth is, whatever you do, obviously we will do 100% from our side, okay, but it depends on interview panel, that whether they like your answer, whether they like your personality, okay, lots of things are there, right. But trust me, if you only crack BRC exam, then it is the big achievement of 2022, okay. With this confidence, definitely you can give all this exam, all the other exams, PSU exams and other exams, and definitely this exam preparation will help you. So this is the advantage of BRC exam, that's why I'm telling you, okay. So no need to get discouraged after final result. If you are not making it to final list, no need to worry. Obviously we will do our 100%, but obviously all the result is in hand of interview, okay. So let's come to our exam now, because exam is most important, then only you will get to interview. The first mindset, I hope that you got, it is not necessary to attempt 100 questions. The second mindset is that we need to only crack this exam, okay. There is no cutoff, I can say. There is no final cutoff and everything. Merit list is not there, Okay, only basic cutoff or basic exam we need to crack. And for this exam to crack, what will be the cutoff or what you estimate cutoff you can do, all the information I will share branch wise, because all the information differ branch wise to branch. Okay, that's why I'm telling you. So now I will start our strategy video, and first I will discuss with syllabus for all the branches. Okay, so in the bottom you can see the timestamp, so just click on the timestamp. Okay, whatever your branch will be, just click on that and you can watch that part. Okay, so we will start now syllabus part. Okay, so first branch is mechanical. So for mechanical, first we will discuss the subject. Along with that, I will tell you that previous year questions of BRC 2021. Okay, so fluid mechanics and heat transfer, very important subject for your BRC exam. Last time they asked questions from manometry, buoyancy, easy question, quickly you can attempt, no need to worry. Okay, then you can see all the topics which you need to study for BRC exam. So this is a topic list. Okay, so in fluid mechanics, the most highlight topic is monetary buoyancy, then fluid acceleration, then flow through pipes. Also, they ask questions from that. Okay, then your siphon action, like that. So all these topics are important, but it is not necessary. They will again ask the same questions from these topics. Okay, it is not necessary because variation will be there in the paper. So it is strictly recommended to prepare for all this topic in very much good detail. Okay. Then heat transfer, always it is important. Sure short question you will get in your exam from, okay, from heat transfer. So what are the things are there? Modes of heat transfer, one dimensional heat conduction, resistance concept is there, electrical analogy, heat transfer through fines, okay, and everything you can see here. Most important topic you can expect in your 2022, okay, is your modes of heat transfer. First basic question you can expect, then heat exchange performance, okay, LMTD and NTU methods, again important. I doubt they will ask question from Hisler chart, but still just go through this. Okay. So these are the most highlight topics for 2022 exam. Otherwise, obviously, you need to do everything. Next is thermodynamics and application. So from thermodynamics, lots of questions they ask. Again, I guess there was 10 questions, okay, reported by our students, memory based questions, because BRC doesn't provide their previous year papers. So thermodynamics, they ask zeroth and first law of thermodynamics. Okay, basic question again. Then second law, study now because they can ask you. Okay, properties of pure substances, important. Thermodynamic systems and processes, always it is important. Then thermodynamics relation you need to do. Okay, and thermodynamics property charts and table. So just go through this all the things of thermodynamics and other things also you will do. In applications, they ask Otto cycle, then your Bratton, Rankine, all the stuff. Okay, they ask in 2021. So just pay proper attention to them, that topic also. And along with that, you can do basic psychometric processes and psychometric chart. Okay, then thermomachinery, impulse and reaction principle, and Franklin and Coupland turbines, very important, and obviously do all the things. Okay, but these are the highlight topics you can expect for your exam. Next is engineering materials. Okay, so no question reported from engineering materials. I guess stress strain diagram was there only, but other than that, no question reported. So obviously, but you need to do, because this time it is possible that they can ask maximum question from this. Okay, but for BRC mechanical, I can say this is not very important topic. So if means you can do basic question if you don't have time to do all the syllabus. Okay, at least basic thing like heat treatment. Okay, stress strain diagram again for engineering materials, phase diagram, like that. Then casting, forming, joining processes, lots of questions was there, like from solidification, your metal forming processes, okay, metal welding, then principle of welding. So from welding also numerical they ask, adhesive bonding. So lots of things was there from this. So this is the high weightage subject you can consider for your BRC 2022 exam also. Okay, and what in addition to this topic, what you should study in much detail, that different type of casting. Okay, then load estimation for bulk, that is forging, rolling, execution, drawing, all those things you need to do. Okay, and also study this much fundamentals of hot and cold working. The next is machining and machine tool operation and metrology and inspection. So you can refer all the things. Definitely both the chapters or subject you need to do in very much detail. So just study in proper mannerism. Okay. Next is your engineering mechanics. So from engineering mechanics, stresses and then column they ask. Okay. Then free body diagram was there. In 2021, impulse and momentum, linear angular and energy formulations. Okay, energy formulations also, I guess the easy question was there. Collisions, it is not there. So for engineering mechanics also, good weightage was there. Approximately I can say 7 to 8 questions was there. Okay, last time. So you can expect this time also the same number of questions, because I always engineering mechanics is always important. Okay, and then mechanics of material, very important. So stress. So in that, total elongation change, okay, and axial elongation also they ask. Then shear and force and bending moment diagram. So this questions was tough. No people, no student can was able to attempt this type of question. Okay, so it's better to skip this. Just have basic idea, but this time also you can expect the same number of questions. Pressure vessel. Okay, they ask the question, that is your hoop strength, circumference something. Okay, so yeah, they ask about that. The basic formula, this 2D, not 2D, PD, 2T. Okay, PD upon 2T, the basic formula here was here. Also along with that, thermal stress, strain gauge and rosette. Okay, testing of material, they will ask not this question. Testing of hardness and impact strength. Basic theory question you can expect, but other than that, I don't think. But these important topics are there, and this time also you can expect the questions from these topics. Okay. The next text, theory of machine, Tom, very important. So from that, gyroscope, then mechanical vibration, balancing belt, pulley. Okay, all those questions was there. Easy question. All the candidate, those who reported, definitely they attempt that. So I guess you will not also face the problem if you know the concept very well. Then displacement, velocity acceleration analysis of plane mechanism, dynamic analysis of linkage, cams, gear and gear trains. All these things you need to study. Okay. Then along with that, vibration. Again, I told mechanical vibration. So from here, anything they can ask. So just prepare this topic very well. Okay, this subject is very important for you. Then machine designing, not very much question reported, just about SN diagram, few questions was there. Okay, and other things was not there, but this time you can expect from this. Okay, it is not like previous year they didn't ask, so that this year also they will not. No, BRC, we can't predict that, so that's why it's better to prepare well. Okay, so definitely basic things they will ask from here, no need to worry about that. Then computer integrated manufacturing, basic concept of CAD exam. No, they didn't ask this. Production planning control, also not, no question reported from this. Inventory control, okay. Flow models, simple queuing models, PERT, CPM, all these questions are reported and asked in last year. So this time also you can expect. Also along with this, if I want to tell you the basics of concept of CM and CAD, just do this. Okay, it is possible they can ask you. Forecasting models, important. Scheduling, material requirement planning also important. Okay, and linear programming, simple method, if you do this then it will be good. Deterministic model, safety stock inventory control system, so you can do this, but I don't think they will ask. Okay, so just if you want you can skip this part, inventory control, but operational research is very much important. Last time 5 question was there from engineering mathematics, so this time also definitely question will be there. Okay, the main topics will be your complex variables, linear algebra, digital equations and vector analysis. Okay, most important. And definitely probability, you can't forget probability, right? Now what to do to crack mechanical exam BRC. Okay, so first thing, as I told you that it is not necessary to attempt 100 question. Okay, what happened the last time, that is 2020, mechanical cutoff was 172. Okay, in 2021 it went directly to 141. Okay, so this you can see the variation in the paper, or also the difficulty level, because last time in 2021 the pattern is changed now. Okay, there lots of question was lengthy, some questions was tough also, so that's why the attempt of people is very, okay, hardly you can see 47 48. So out of 100, if you able to correct all the 48 question only, then also you can make. Okay, as per last time data, but this time also you can expect the same number of level, or I can say same number of competition. Okay, in that, so it's better to at least with accuracy, if you attempt up to 55 to 60, again it will vary. Okay, again it will vary. So just in mind just have this target to attempt 55 to 60 question with 100% accuracy. Okay, I told you the topic, important topic list, so just prepare the topic well. Now what books you will refer? So definitely those who prepare for GATE, you can refer your notes, there is no need to worry. Okay, those who are non-GATE student, so just try to collect notes for the GATE exam. Okay, whatever notes they are using for GATE exam, you can just refer that same notes. Okay, definitely it will help you. On the internet also you will get handwritten notes, so just Google it and you will get the things. Just okay, all the content is available now, so I will it's obviously you will not feel any difficulty in that. The main important is you, two books are required for you for practice. So one book is GATE previous year. Okay, last 30-35 years you need to practice the questions. 1 mark also and 2 marks also. For BRC both the questions are important. Okay, and second, ESC previous year questions also you can practice. Okay, this much questions are enough for you. Just try to apply the concept. Just neglect the theory part, because obviously year by year they are not focusing more on theory. Okay, but again it will happen, it may change that this time also they can ask theory questions, because lots of time they given to you. Okay, already January, February, March, and in April you have exam, so you can prepare for theory part. That's why I have told ESC previous year questions, right? Okay, now about test series part. So no one able to make good test series of BRC. Okay, just everyone what they do, just they copy paste the questions of gate exam. No need to worry about that. Just what you can do, practice from gate paper, and again try to solve that all the gate papers or ES paper with timer. Okay, in mobile or PC or laptop you have timer, so just on that and just try to solve the paper like that. Okay, no, don't trust on anyone, because no one knows the real paper of BRC. They just randomly frame the question, and definitely it will hamper your concept. So I don't want that you should hamper your concept. That's why just focus on these two resources and these two questions. All the concepts which asked in 30 years, past 30 years of GATE and past 30 years of ESA, you should know. Okay, simple. Definitely you can make it. No need to worry. And stay connected with the channel, because next video will be your podcast, which is very important, and definitely it will motivate you. And after that, I will make one video that how to attempt BRC online exam practically. Okay. So for this video, definitely you need to pay attention. So I hope that all the things are clear now. You don't, if I think you don't have any doubt. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the BRC exam pattern, again, you can DM me on Instagram. Also, you can WhatsApp. Also, you can put your comments. Okay. So all the, yeah, for civil, we will start now. So for civil engineering mechanics, most important subject again. Last time question reported from friction and its application. Okay, kinematics of point, mass, and rigid body. See, for BRC, this type of questions you will always get. Okay, whether theory or whether little tough version, but definitely you will get always. Euler's equation was there of motion. Okay, because basic physics knowledge will be there with you, and it is required for atomic department. That's why. So energy methods. Okay, then what important topics you can expect this year? Again, from this they will ask the question short, but system of forces, free body diagrams, you should also study this. Okay, don't skip any part. See, there will be variation in your paper. Okay, definitely it's not like last time they asked question for friction, so this time they will not, or they will ask confirm. No, it is not like. It is possible that they may ask, but they may not ask. This is also possible. So that's why to prepare whole syllabus is necessary, or maximum syllabus I can say, not 100%, because obviously it's not possible. So let's try your best to cover most of the topics, okay, that are important. Then in mechanics also, last time Morse circle they asked, then simple bending theory, and along with this I don't recalling any question reported by our students. So that's why just do all the things from mechanics. Okay, again this is very important topic, a high weightage topic from your exam. Then the next subject is structural analysis and construction. So in that, what you need to study? So analysis of statistical, determinate trusses, okay, then arches, beams, cables, frames, all the topics you can see here list. Then construction also, material and management construction, material, construction, steel composition, okay, and all the things you can see here. Now what last time they asked the questions, so per ton CPM question was there, okay, then slope deflection and moment distribution methods was there, the question from this. Cables and frames I guess there, yes, trusses was there, okay, and basic contraption matrix method, no, this was not. So this much questions reported by students, and what you can do, just complete the syllabus of structural analysis construction, which most important for your exam. Okay, then the next subject is concrete structure and steel structure. So for concrete I don't recall anything other than shear. Okay, so shear is there. Then pre-stress concrete was there. So these two concepts reported, and basic stress and strain, always it will be important for you. Okay, then steel structure is there. Steel structure, all the things just do this, because very important topic for BRC exam. Then soil mechanics and foundation engineering. So in foundation engineering, the important question was from earth pressure theories. Okay. Then next is settlement analysis, sand and clay. Only I guess, because very less weightage they ask from foundation engineering. Soil mechanics always important, and you will get lots of questions from this. Okay. So each and every topic is important for your exam. So just do all the things. Then fluid mechanics and hydraulics, always most important subject for BRC exam. So from this, I will recommend you to cover each and everything. Okay, don't leave anything, don't skip any topic, because anything they can ask you in your exam. That's why it is most important to do. Next is hydrology and irrigation. So from this also I don't remember anything reported. Okay, so all the topics you can see. So you need to study this much topics for your exam. Water requirement and air pollution. So from this also, domestic wastewater treatment. Okay, they ask this question, basic theory question. They ask basic unit operation and unit process of surface water treatment, like that. So these are the topic you need to study. And air pollution also there was few questions, but I can't recollect at the moment. So that's why just do this air pollution perfectly. Okay, so this is the syllabus of your engineering, civil engineering, transportation and geomatics. So transportation also important. Okay, then hydrology and irrigation. So from irrigation, I guess they asked the question from design of weirs on permanent foundation. Okay, so those who give last time BRC exam, you can share your views on comment section. And hydrology cycle was there. Okay, then reservoirs and channel routing was also there. So these are the important things. And last, engineering mathematics. So 3 to 4 questions they ask from engineering mathematics. Okay, so you need to do that compulsory. And most if you want most probable or most high weightage for this exam, then this time you can expect from question from differential equations, numerical methods and probability of statistics. Okay, numerical method one question they will ask for sure, and vector analysis will be also there. Now this was the syllabus of your civil engineering. Okay, and I also told you the high weightage topic for your exam. Now how you can prepare? So for what? Now those who prepare for gate exam, okay, and those who are non-gate students, so what you can do, those who prepare for gate exam, you can refer your notes. Definitely it will help you, okay, to just get the topics and revise the things. Okay, maximum practice should be there. Non-gate student, what you can do, all the things you will get, okay, just search on net, handwritten notes you will get. So just refer that handwritten notes for gate exam. So definitely it will help you. Okay, and along with this, two books are required for both the candidate, that gate previous year book. Okay, at least 3 to 4 times try to solve gate previous year, last 30 years, 35 years, depending on your branch. And from this you will solve 1 mark also and 2 mark also. Okay, both the question or both the things you will solve. Then along with this EAC previous year question also, don't forget to practice, and this much thing are enough for you. Okay, no need to worry, no need to join any test series, because no one knows the real, I can say, real pattern of BRC. They just randomly copy paste the gate previous year, and definitely you will waste your money. Okay, so it's better to practice the question, and after that with timer you can practice. So just turn on the timer and you can practice gate previous year on EAC previous year. Okay, and if you know someone from your branch that he's trustable and he can make good test series, then definitely you can join. But I will recommend you, it is not required to join test series for this. Okay, BRC exam, because pattern will be different. As I told you, BRC exam is all about not attempting 100 questions. Okay, so this mindset should be there while preparing your test series. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so if you have any query, any doubt other than this, definitely you can share in the comment. About previous year cutoff, I don't have information regarding civil branch. Okay, so those who grew previous year, last year BRC exam of from civil branch, please share your cutoff in the comment section. Okay, through gate also and through non-gate also. So all the best for your upcoming exams. Okay, don't forget to watch our podcast, and also the most important video will be there for you, that how to attempt BRC exam practically. So that will also I will tell you. Now we will discuss the syllabus for electrical. So last time also the paper was little different for electrical. Definitely pattern little bit change. Okay, but it was easy if you compare with 2020. So what syllabus you need to study for your branch? So first is electric circuits or network theory. Okay, very important again. Lots of questions you can expect from this. Approximately 5 to 8 questions or more from network theory. Then electromagnetic field. Okay, most important subject. And last time they asked questions from Ampere's law, then Faraday's law, application of this. Okay, then electric field potential due to point, line, plane, also important. From network theory, definitely all the topics you need to study compulsory. Okay, electromagnetic theory, the more focus will be towards basics only and application of each and everything. like this: Coulomb's law, electric field intensity. So you should know. Okay. Then some problems was lengthy, so it's better to skip that in that particular time period. Definitely, we will discuss in the next video how to attempt paper BISU practically, but still. The third subject is signals and system, most important. Okay, special focus on Fourier transform and Fourier series. Always they will ask you question from this, and definitely you should able to attempt that, because you can attempt this question in that particular time. Okay, and if you solve definitely our gate previous year questions, then definitely you will get the things. Then Z transform Laplace, always important, short questions. Then machines. Okay, so from machine, anything they can ask, and maximum weightage you can expect from machine around 10 to 12 questions. Last time also lots of questions come from machine only. 8 to 10 questions come from machine. And everything is important. I will not tell you the important topics, because each and everything in machines is important for electrical. Okay, the next subject is power systems. So power system, Gauss-Seidel and Newton-Raphson methods. Then your series shunt compensation, models and performance of transmission lines. So these are the reported question by our student, and also circuit breakers was there. Okay, basic theory question will be there like this, but still all the things which are mentioned in power system syllabus, you can see here all the topics. This thing you should study in very much detail. Okay, then control systems, again important for your BRC exam. Last time lots of question was from root service criteria, basic question, but loose locus also over there. Okay, then lead lag, I don't think they asked lead lag last time, but still this time they can ask, and they will ask shortly theory questions from this. Okay, so all the things you should do, what is PI, PID controllers, like that. And again, transfer function calculation, sure short fixed question in your exam. Okay, transfer function either maybe with the help of BDJ or your signal program. Okay, transient and steady state analysis of linear time invariant system, again this is the most important topic, so you study this in very much detail. The next subject, measurement. Okay, always the main focus is measurement for BRC, and from here you can't skip any single topic. All the syllabus is important. Lots of questions they can ask you, around 8 to 10 questions you can expect from measurement. So after machine, you can expect more questions from measurement. Okay, then you are analog and digital electronics, and special focus on digital electronics. Okay, but definitely last time analog and digital electronics have equal weightage. I guess around 15 to 20 questions total they asked from this only. Okay, that is your analog and digital. And definitely in analog some question was very lengthy, so definitely no one could able to attempt that question in that time, but still the question was, means you can obviously without time you can solve that. Okay, what we have to study: characteristic diode, BJT, MOSFET, simple diode circuits, clipping, clamping, rectifier. So for electrical, you don't need to go in very much detail. Okay, just BJT, you should know how to solve the circuit, how to find your configuration, whether it is saturation mode, whether it is cutoff mode. Okay, that is MOSFET, important, everything you should know. Okay, all the condition of MOSFET and how to solve AC analysis, DC analysis, always they will ask BJT, MOSFET. Then clipping, clamping, rectifier, amplifier, biasing, equivalent circuit and frequency response, oscillator, feedback amplifiers, then operation amplifier, characteristics amplification, simple active filter, VCO and timers. Okay, not very much important, so just you can skip if you want. Combination sequential logic circuits, very much important. Multiple state demultiplier, schematic trigger, sample and hold. Okay, A to D converters, 8085 microprocessor. From 8085, short question of programming. They will ask you short question of programming, so you should know all the programming instructions, right? The next is power electronics. Always this is most important subject for a BRC exam, and 8 to 12 question again you can expect from power electronics. Last time question they asked from three-phase configuration of uncontrolled rectifiers. Okay, then single phase and three-phase inverters. Always they ask the question. Standard pulse width modulation also they ask. Okay, and this time also like expected questions are your characteristics of semiconductor, power devices, diode, thyristor. Definitely they will ask. So just do all the things here. Now important thing is to complete the syllabus. Okay, try to complete maximum syllabus. Definitely variation was there, because last time the for electrical was 163. Okay, so 163 cutoff was there, so little bit easier paper out there, so that's why public attempted good number of questions and they got 163 cutoff, right? Along with this, now what books you can refer? So first book is your gate pre-IQ. Okay, all 30-35 years you will solve definitely. And then second book you will use EAC previous year question paper. Okay, these two books are compulsory for you. Other than this, I don't think anything you need, right? And just try to solve the questions which are in gate and ESE with timer. Just use your timer of mobile and your laptop and everything, and then you can solve like that. Okay, so practice like that, and just remember always that no need to attempt 100 questions. Okay, because you can see from there, see last year cutoff was 163, means approximately I can say this is a 54-55 questions. So out of 100, if you only attempt 54 to 55 question with 100% accuracy, then you will get selection call. Okay, this is the case of last time. Definitely this time variation will be there. I will not comment on that. I will comment on after exam only. Okay, but for now, just target to attempt maximum with 100% accuracy. Okay, that maximum may be 41 also, 51 also, 61 also, depending on paper level. Okay, and that you will get to know at that point of time only. So just prepare well for the exam. Okay, practice 3 to 4 times at least, get here and ESV. Definitely you will get all the things, and just try to apply the concept. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can reach out to me on Instagram, and you can also call WhatsApp me on your WhatsApp, right? So all the way. Okay, next is CAC branch. So for computer science, what we need to study first, we will discuss. So DLD, okay, then COA is there. You can see the syllabus. All the topics are there. We need to study. Then the next is your programming and data structures and algorithms. Okay, all the topics you can see here also. Theory of computation, compiler designing. Then operating system and database, computer network, C++, machine learning and software engineering. Okay, so this is the total syllabus of computer science. Now how to do preparation of that? See, your paper will be means little trickier. Okay, last time because if you know the cutoff only 129 marks out of 300. Okay, questions from programming, C programming, also C++, Java, machine learning, where there obviously machine learning only 2 to 3 questions, so you can skip this, no need to study this machine learning in very much detail. And also question you will get combination of theoretical plus numerical questions. Okay, so this is the combination you will get. Now what resources you will use? So definitely gate pyq you will use. Okay, practice all the previous year questions of your gate exam, and second book you will use ISRO previous year question book. Okay, so these are the important things for you. Just try to solve these two resources only, no need to worry. You will definitely paper you will get. And also try to cover the syllabus with theoretical point of view also. Okay, which is most important, because for CAC they frame both the combination question, that is your theoretical plus numerical. That's why programming I can say. So special focus should be on theory only, and target is definitely to attempt not 100 question but sufficient number of questions. Okay, and that you will get at that time only in exam hall. So before that you should have complete idea about yourself, that which topic you are feeling better, which topic you are not feeling well, and you will not attempt in your exam. Okay, so all these things should be clear in your mind at this preparation phase only, and with time just solve that, no need for any test or that. And those who are preparing for NILET or any NILET exam, definitely our NILET test series will be helpful for BRC also, no need to worry about that. Okay, so just focus on that and prepare well for BRC. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the recruitment, so just you can connect me to me at Instagram always. Okay, now next branch is geology. So for geology I will mention all the subjects here, so you can go through that. Okay, so first subject is your earth and planetary system, then element of seismology, then plate tectonics, weathering and soil formation, structural geology, crystallology, mineralogy, petrology, geological time scale, introduction to remote sensing, geomorphic process and agents, mechanism of rock deformation, crystallology, and topics you can see by pausing the video. So just pause the video and see the topics. Okay, then these are the topics you can see for geology. Okay, so unfortunately there is no much data about your branch. Okay, I don't get it, so that's why I can't comment about anything. Just this is the syllabus information I want to give you. So this much syllabus you need to study for your BRC exam. And one important thing is that don't forget not to attempt 100 questions, but to attempt sufficient number of questions. Okay, this is the important thing, and definitely if you keep this thing in your mind, definitely you can crack it, right? So if you have any query down, you can comment down below or you can reach out to me at Instagram. And stay connected to the channel for our motivation podcast and other things, other important things, all the updates related to BRC. Okay. And if you want anything, then definitely you can comment down. I will try my best to bring it in front of you. Next, instrumentation. So for instrumentation, first we will see syllabus. Then I will tell you what are the important topics you can expect for 2022. So first, important electric circuit. Always 8 to 10 question you can expect from this in your exam. Okay. Anything they can ask. So just be prepared with all the syllabus completely. Then signal and system. One more important thing. Okay. Fourier transform, Laplace transform. Short question. Then discrete time system, impulse response. Short question. DFT, FFT depends, but I will suggest you to study it because I can see for 2021, 2020 also they are asking the question. Also one question like that. Okay. I doubt that you can attempt this question in that particular time, but still I will recommend you to study DFT and FFT if you have time. That is important. But before that, you should complete all those things which are important for your exam. Basics of IR, FR filter also. Just do basics. Okay, window period and like that. Then your control systems, very much important. Analog electronics for instrumentation, very much important for you. Okay, so you can't skip any of the topic from analog electronics. I am again telling you, most important and maximum question you can expect from analog electronics out of your total syllabus. Then in control system, short question signal program, then phase gain margin calculation. Okay, if they don't ask phase margin calculation or gain margin calculation, then they will give you Bode plot. This is the pattern. Okay, so at a time they will not give you Bode plot also and phase and gain margin. This is the thing. Last time they asked question for state space representation also they asked question last time. Otherwise your mechanical hydraulic pneumatic system component, synchro pair. Okay, synchro pair they asked question. Then servo and stepper motor. So this much question reported by candidates. Those give instrumentation paper last time. Okay, PI, PID cascade and feed forward and ratio controller. I don't think they will ask, but still just go through the basic theory part. You will get to know. And other than this, all these things are very much important for your BRC exam. Now the next is your data electronics and measurement. So measurement again I can say second highest subject which is most important and you can expect approximately 12 to 20 questions. Okay, from measurement. So just study each and everything in very much detail. You should have good knowledge of each and every concept, especially your PMMC. Where it is PMMC? See here. Then MI. Okay, last time they asked question measurement of RLC, Q meter, and this from this subject now they are shifting to numerical part also. Okay, it is not like just theory other like 18 19. Now they want you little difficult or they just want to make it little higher level, so that's why they are providing numericals now. Okay, so prepare like that only. Then your RMS meter. Okay, always RMS calculation, average calculation. Then your time phase measurement, digital voltmeter, digital multimeter, oscillator, shielding and grounding. Okay, from digital each and everything again important. So 8-bit microprocessor, microcontroller. Microcontroller is basic theory you want. Okay, no need to go microcontroller programming. They will not ask. But microprocessor programming is very much important. So just be aware of that. And other than this, all the topics are mentioned in data electronics are important. Next is sensor and industrial instrumentation. Again, third important subject for your BRC exam. And lots of questions you can expect from this. Last time also, I guess around 15 questions they asked from this sensor and industrial instrumentation. Okay. And now from here, what they can do, they can combine this with your analog and your measurement also. Okay. So combination of 2 and 3 subjects, you should know how to handle such concepts. And definitely some question will be a little lengthier in that particular time period. So it's better to skip that. Okay. But study each and everything from this also. All the topics are important. Then communication and optical instrumentation. Okay, not more question last time. So I don't think they will this time also they will ask, but we should prepare. Okay, from our end. That's why amplitude and frequency modulation basic thing. Then Shannon sampling theorem basic they will ask surely. Pulse key shift keying. Okay, for detail I am expecting this time also they can ask 6 to 8 question approximately. Then light dependent resistor and time characteristics. Okay, leave this. Basics of fiber optic sensing. Compulsory they will ask question from this. Okay. Application of metrology and interferometer. So I will don't think they will ask. So I will just recommend you to skip that. If you have time, read a little theory part about that. And frequency and time division multiplexing and amplitude phase frequency shield. Okay, so this is a detailed modulation technique. Already I told you to do. So along with syllabus I told you the important topics, so just make note of that, okay, and also pay special attention on them. Alongside you should do full syllabus, okay, it is like that. Now what books you will refer? So get previous year book, it's enough for you, there is no need to study anything, just solve at least 3 to 4 times, that's it. If you have extra timing, then you can go for electrical and EC common subject like network theory, your analog circuits, signal system, data electronics, but no need. Okay, if you have time, if you are just boring to solve again previous year question of instrumentation, then I will go recommend you to solve these questions. Okay. So for instrumentation, if you have any other doubt regarding other than this, you can ask me via Instagram, via WhatsApp. Okay, just give your best and just wait for podcast, which will definitely motivate you for your BRC examination. Okay, so for EC, what we have in syllabus, so network theory, signal system, EDC, analog electronics, data electronic microprocessor, control system, data electronic microprocessor again. Why I am writing this twice, I don't know. Communication, electromagnetic theory, measurement and instrumentation, control, computer network, C programming and VHDL. This is a total syllabus of EC branch. Okay, obviously detailed video will be there, so no need to worry. Till now, till then, what you can do, you can refer our 2021 memory based paper. Okay, I made memory based paper very detailed video at that time. So just watch this video, you will get into the playlist. So just go playlist section, BRC 2021 playlist. Okay, whatever language you like, English, Hindi, just watch that, right? Detailed video will be there soon for you branch also. So and along all the things I will share there only, right? So BRC WhatsApp group is there, so compulsory join our BRC WhatsApp group. If you are serious for BRC, then only join. Okay, otherwise no need to join, and just maintain discipline there. Okay, I'm expecting, and definitely this time your test series will be also there. How you can attempt that test series, what you can do from that. Okay, all the things I will share in your special strategy video for electronics and communication. Okay, if you have any other query, if you want to add me anything there, then definitely you can message me on Instagram or WhatsApp. Okay, and compulsory join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. All the best.